So not every financial professional you come across shows interest in your overall well-being with your mind, body, and spirit, and that's why we partner together.
Hey, it's Lance McGowan and
Tanner Freakard.
And today we're covering another video as a part of our Health is Wealth video series exclusively available on YouTube. And today's topic is all about how your neighborhood can help you with your health and wealth. That's right. It's not just a place to live, it's a place that can, add some extra value. So studies suggest activity-friendly neighborhoods can have benefits for homeowners' financial, social, and physical health.
That's awesome. A walkable neighborhood allows people to mingle, stay active, and might even allow for some unique ideas or events that you can host in your home when partnering with us remotely or locally.
There you go. That's right. We can make things happen wherever you're at. And various studies have found that activity-friendly neighborhoods can be good for residents' wealth, health, and social well-being.
That's valuable information for our clients who are looking to buy or upgrade their homes, but also something that could help your family too.
There you go. And homes and neighborhoods with amenities like parks and schools within walking distance can command higher prices according to Redfin. All right, the real estate brokerage reports that an increase of 1 walk score point can boost the price of a home by about 0.9%.
That's awesome. In addition, residents in the area with compact street networks, whether there are shorter blocks and plenty of intersections where people can cross the street safely, tend to have lower rates of obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, according to a study in the Journal of Transport and Health.
Wow, so the neighborhoods that have those can really benefit their residents.
Absolutely.
And that's important considering that someone with diabetes can spend on average more than $13,000 on health care each year, with diabetes-related costs responsible to more than half the total, according to the American Diabetes Association.
A separate study shows people living in activity-friendly neighborhoods got up to 89 more minutes per week of exercise than those that weren't as conducive to walking, biking, or using public transit.
Very interesting. And taking the bus or train also encourages walking, said the study's lead author, James Salas, distinguished professor of family medicine and public health at the University of California in San Diego.
So studies also shown that people who live in more walkable neighborhoods report more social interactions.
There you go. So getting out and about can help you talk to more folks too. Well, activity-friendly neighborhoods allow residents to mix and mingle as they're out and about. Imagine getting to know other families while you're out for a walk, run, bike ride, taking your pet to the dog park, or playing pickup basketball in the park.
That sounds great. So not every financial professional you come across shows interest in your overall well-being with your mind, body, and spirit. And that's why we partner together to give you our Health is Wealth series on YouTube.
There you go. That's right. We're very passionate about helping you in all areas. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button to catch more video updates, and check out the links below so you can check out, how to improve your health and wealth at the same time. And we'll see you in the next video.